Oh no!
How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be a very short one, I promise. What is it about? Well, t-shirts. Yeah, I know, t-shirts. What is he talking about? Well, to give you a quick rundown, whenever you do YouTube channels, a lot of times people will like your channel enough to want to wear shirts with your name on it, believe it or not. Like my channel name, Camaro Time. Anybody that owns a Camaro or has a Camaro or loves a Camaro, Camaro Time, it fits, right? I mean, you could wear that at any time. Nobody knows this particular channel name. It's just a different shirt with something having to do with Camaro on it. So I've been contacted several times about, people wanting me to do merchandise, t-shirts and stuff like that, if you will. And I just haven't done it for several reasons. The first one being, in order to do it, t-shirts aren't cheap, to get them printed and everything. And then you don't know what sizes you're going to need, so you've got a supply of t-shirts laying around that are just sitting there. Nobody wants, nobody's selling them because they're the wrong sizes. So, I didn't want all that really sitting around. Plus, I had a hard time trying to figure out what kind of design I wanted and all that. So, there's a company out there called Teespring. And I went on their website, I did some research and everything, and what Teespring does is different than everybody else because it's basically a drop ship. In other words, I don't have to handle anything. I do the design work. You guys go on there and pick out what you want. You get t-shirts, cell phone cases, pillows, coffee mugs, whatever you want. It runs the gamut. They have all kinds of great stuff. Long sleeves, short sleeves, tank tops, hoodies, men's, women's, children's, unisex, workout garments, just all kind of stuff. And like I said, you sit there, you put in what you want, you pay for it, and in about a week and a half, you get your product. So I spent some time figuring out a design, and was actually, sun's now going down out of my eyes, thank you. I figured out a design and loaded it on there, picked out a bunch of items that I thought you guys and gals might like, with Camaro Time on it. And the design was basic. It was just a flag on there with the channel name on it. And I was going to have a couple different versions of it so that you could pick and choose which one you wanted. Well, that's where it gets, that was the easy part. So I spent a couple hours doing this, picking out the stuff, coming up with the design and all that stuff. And I've actually been thinking about the design for a while. I didn't just come up with it. It's just, like I said, it's kind of hard to find something. If I'm not happy with it, I don't expect you to be happy with it, right? So I did all this work and everything. Now granted, it's not manual labor. It's just sitting there playing around on the computer, punching some buttons and thinking, just thinking process. And you go and hit enter, you submit, and it's called a campaign. You can pick a certain time for it to run, or you can have it basically unlimited like a regular store. So I clicked on submit to start the campaign, and this happened. Yep, that's right. This campaign was discontinued. This campaign was ended this campaign was deleted because of content. That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts. So I contacted them. I sent them several emails. Basically what they said in a nutshell is because I used the name or the word Camaro. Camaro, right? I used that word, and that word is trademarked by Chevrolet and GM, whoever holds the trademark. I'm assuming it's Chevrolet and GM. And, car companies and manufacturers and stuff will do stuff like that to protect themselves from somebody else designing a car like that in China and calling it a Camaro and selling it as a Chevrolet or GM product. So companies will trademark it to protect their entities, which is the car. I understand that, I get it. But you really can't trademark a word. You can trademark the name. Look, I have a car. It's called Camaro. You can't trademark. You could trademark that, but just say, my name's Camaro Time. My real name might be Camaro. You know, my mom and dad might have really liked cars, and my real name might be Camaro, and they're going to tell me I can't use it because it's Camaro. It's trademark. It's just silly. So I sent them a message back explaining that and everything, and they said it's not open for discussion. We're sorry that you dispute it or you disagree with it. Please move on is basically what they told me. So I said, okay, I'll move on. I deleted the account. Well, I had them delete the account. I sent a message back explaining the reason why and gave them all the information they needed to verify that it was my account, and deleted it. It just really sucks, because I was kind of looking forward to getting these out there for those that wanted it, you know, because like I said, because of the channel name and everything, it fits. I mean, you can get personalized tags for the front, airbrush tags. You can get your own shirts made, you know, and have that on there, and and it's not saying that it's my channel. I didn't even have the YouTube logo on there. I just had the flag with Camaro Time, and it's just it strikes me as odd, and I'll show you why. I mean, you can actually go on their website and type in the word Camaro, and it brings up unofficially licensed products. But I can't put mine on there? What? So that squashes that. I'm still gonna get some shirts done. I'm gonna get myself one done. I'm gonna get the wife one done, and a few really close family or friends, and that's gonna be it, you know. Unless, you know, you guys really say you want it and everything, because the cheapest that I can find right now is between $20 and $28, and I don't want just an old cheap shirt and it shrink the first time you wear it, or the print come off, you know. I don't want that. I want a nice shirt, and I want it printed on there, you know, good quality. But unfortunately, guys and gals, I'm sorry, that pretty much squashes that for now. But yeah, it's just crazy. I don't get it. I don't understand it, how you can let some people do it and some people can't. And I even sent them a message explaining that you have unofficial licensed products on there with the image, the likeness, and the name, and you're letting them do it, but I can't. Just doesn't make sense. But there you go. I'll leave it at that. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.